Kwa eitarembere burunyu yaba kwithira kinywitho mumayo bisi ngavana wa Meru Mutuma ntwethinge nethirite kinya mbere ya kamiti ya Senate ya kuthuya mantu ige utumiri bwa mbesa se mwingi ucoke biorio ko ni utumiri bwa mbesa se municipality ya Timau ya mawana kinya utumiri bwa mbesa krisibitari ya Meru level 5 mwaka yukigena yo 2023-2024 ikaroke amona bu nigethirite kitira maseneta bakiromba kanya kwithira bakile ba baribo bongwa kiaria ngavana Mutuma awite Meru netite boya na nari kitinende kwithira aicokia awatimbaru kenda otira Meru ni witana mbere no kura urakubatere Antoni Kathenya na ribotie.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Mutuma ntwethinkia muthenya omri ararembela kamiti ya gusunguno utumiri bwa mbesa kiri tengo nkuranija thirikari ja kaunti gikaro kia omndi kiri kia mbere kumanywitho muma.
Chair, we are glad that we got this opportunity to come and hear from you.
Kile mauntu maria makinyire gavana Mutuma mbele ya kamiti ino ilali gusokebela bya mutari munene wa madhabu kile utumiri bwa mbesa kile kambuni nkurani ja roji ja kaunti ya Meru utumiri bwa mbesa kile municipality ithatu ja Meru amona dibitari ya Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital musema ni ojo omndi aidho tathithika nontu ba musema ni ongwa Kamukunji maseneta ulo kwambagire ndakinga intare nyuma jekaro ino mwekalili to kamiti ino Godfrey Osoti ni uliti gavana Mutuma ntwethinkia kunenkanira masoko kirima mwe mamonto mara kamiti ino yeledi tulole gavana kawira mwangaza mwakwangili jere na milongole na ithatu makoni na itengo ino na kunenkanira masokyo mega mbele ya musema ni yonge kudidika.
Governor, we will direct that you have a look at the issues the committee had pointed out in its letter dated 19th July 2023 because it is our hope that the issues that we had identified for Meru are addressed, which the regime that you took over did not fully address. This committee also looks at the audited reports for municipalities. And a number of counties have audited reports, but Meru does not have audited reports for its municipalities. Meru municipality, Maua municipality, Timau municipality do not have audited reports. And the reason is that the county did not submit financial statements for these entities for audit by the Office of the Auditor General.
Akiale kile musemanio jo gavana Mutuma nele dijete no menyu bwa montu mama monde na nene nkanire wirane bwa kunenkanira masoki malama baterie mbele ya kamiti eno.
We are well guided on the areas of concern, the management of the 3 municipalities, management of Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital, and the general well-being of the Meru County and the people therein. So I want to appreciate that you pointed out a number of areas that we are going to work on, and we promise that we are going to put all what it requires for us to give satisfactory responses to the areas that you flagged out.
For sure, most of the issues have not been addressed. And if we want to help Meru, is to ensure that all issues raised by the Auditor General, if we want to help all these institutions in Meru County, as a Meru Senator, I would love to see all these matters addressed.
Gavana Mutuma ntwethinkia akile dejete kaunti ya Meru yelekele alega nontu kwa tha ino kiri untu bula busoketia sore bonde kiri kaunti no.
Chair, there is we've restored the donor confidence in Meru. Many partners and fled away because of the turmoil, the uncertainty, political wrangles that were there for the last 2.5 years. They are back, and we are happy that Meru is headed in the right direction.
Kuma mji muneno Nairobi, Mbita Antoni, Rangi wa Kathenya.